Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to be telling you how to remove the clogged pores. Now the clogged pores can be in form of whiteheads, blackheads, the gunk, grim, dirt and all of those things, and we usually get it on our nose. Now there is going to be a step-by-step process, very easy. You can simply do it at home and you're going to get some wonderful results. So the first step is going to be cleaning up your nose thoroughly. Make sure that you take a good cleanser and clean your skin. So if you want to do it on your chin as well, then clean the entire face, otherwise just do it on your nose. And after that we are going to be moving on to the second step, which is going to be applying petroleum jelly on your nose. Now what petroleum jelly does is it helps in making the pores softer and the process of extraction so much easier. Now just apply it for good 2 to 3 minutes. After that you will be needing a plastic wrap. Just place it on your nose for some time, and we are going to be combining this with a little bit of heat. And how we are going to do that is take a steamer. Now whenever you apply a little bit of steam, your pores are going to open up and the process is going to be more easier. Now I am going to do it for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that I am going to remove this wrap off, and there is going to be this tool which is for the suction. It has a little bit of vacuum which helps in sucking out the impurities out from your pores which are deeply embedded in there. So I usually do not get blackheads. This is something you all know by now because I make a lot of videos about it. And yes, the whiteheads, they are very annoying and they do not completely go away. And I am going to be rolling it all over my nose, and after some time you will be seeing that there is a lot of gunk around this area. Now it has thoroughly removed any kind of impurities which I had on my skin, and in the end I am going to have a beautiful and glowy nose. And after doing this routine, I make sure that I follow it up with my regular skincare routine. My skin is very sensitive right now, so I am going to be taking this Mars Glow Serum, which has vitamin C, Niacinamide, Multani Mitti, Tumeric Extract and cocoa butter. This is the first time I have came across a product in a serum which has Multani Mitti. It smells amazing, guys. It feels very natural on your skin. The smell is something kind of Ayurvedic smell, which I'm loving a lot. What niacinamide does is it is a powerful ingredient for both skin moisturization and skin brightening. It has vitamin C. We all know it's a powerful antioxidant and it helps in giving you glowing skin. Multani Mitti is rich in magnesium chloride and helps in deeply cleansing up your pores. Cocoa butter again helps in hydrating up your skin, and it also has turmeric extract which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which helps in giving you natural glow. Now it has already been 7 days since I'm using it and I was able to see some wonderful results, so I thought that I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. So all you need to do is just apply it all over your face with a dropper, and in this pack there is going to be a gua sha and a jade roller. So personally guys, I feel that jade roller is very simple to use. So all you need to do is just take it in the outward motion along your jawline. It not only helps in sculpting up your face, it helps in removing any kind of puffiness or inflammation you have on your skin. In the shorter term, these are going to be the results, but in the longer term, it is going to help in removing the wrinkles or any kind of pigmentation you have on your face. So this is going to be a good thing, and also this shorter side is going to be ideal for your under eye. It helps in depuffing the eyes and makes your skin very glowy. Now gua sha is also used for the same things, but it has more benefits because it is something you will have to use with your hands. Jade roller is usually very simple to use rather than using this, but just make sure that you're not applying too much of pressure on your skin, otherwise it might break some capillaries, so you do not want to harm your skin by using these. So little bit of pressure and you're going to be good to go. Again, the same thing, it is going to be for your jaw. Just move it in the outward and upward motion, and when you're going to go down on your neck from the collarbone, just make it use in the upward motion and towards your ear. This is how you're going to use it, and never use it on your dry face. Just make sure every time you're going to use it, apply some oil or take some serum, and what it does is once you move it along your face, it is gonna help in the penetration of the product better, hence giving you glowing skin. So these are all by Mars, and these are some amazing products. I'll make sure that I give the products link in the description box below. Please go and check them out. So this was it for this video. I really hope that you guys find it helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.